Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice radical equation. X times root x plus root x is equal to 4 times root 3. We need to find all possible values of x. So let's start by squaring both sides of this equation. X times root x plus root x, and we take square at the left hand side, is equal to 4 times 3, and we take square at the right hand side. By using this algebraic identity, a plus b whole squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This x times root x plus root x whole squared will become x times root x squared plus 2 times x times root x times root x plus root x squared is equal to this 4 times root 3 squared will become 4 squared times root 3 squared. Next, this x times root x whole squared will become x squared times x plus this 2 times x times root x times root x will become 2x squared plus this square will be cancelled out with this square root, and here we are left with x is equal to this 4 squared is 16 times this square will be cancelled out with the square root, and here we are left with 3. Next, x squared times x cubed plus 2x squared plus x is equal to 16 times 3, 48. Now we move this 48 to the left hand side. Then this equation will become x cubed plus 2x squared plus x minus 48 is equal to 0. Now this is a cubic equation and is factorable, so we solve it by factorization. We write this x cubed, and we split this plus 2x squared as, we split this 2x squared as negative 3x squared plus 5x squared. We split this plus 2x squared as negative 3x squared plus 5x squared, and we split this plus x as, we split this x as negative 15x plus 16x. We split this plus x as negative 15 times x plus 16 times x minus 48 is equal to 0. Now from these two terms, x cubed minus x squared, we can factor out x squared. X squared as common factor, and in bracket left x minus 3. And from these two terms, 5x squared minus 15x, we can factor out 5x plus 5 times x as common factor, and in bracket left x minus 3. And from these two terms, 16x minus 48, we can factor out 16 plus 16 as common factor, in bracket left x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now as you can see, this expression x minus 3, this expression x minus 3, and this expression x minus 3 is a common factor. So we factor out this x minus 3. and in bracket left this x squared plus 5x plus 16. In bracket left x squared plus 5 times x plus 16 is equal to 0. And from here either this expression x minus 3 is equal to 0, or this expression x squared plus 5 times x plus 16 is equal to 0. From this equation we get the value of x is equal to 3. This is the first value of x, this is the first solution of this equation. Now this quadratic equation is not factorable, so we solve it by quadratic formula. In this equation a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 16, and according to quadratic formula x is equal to negative value of b is 5 plus minus square root of, in place of b squared we write 5 squared minus 4 times, in place of a we write 1 times, in place of c we write 16, divided by 2 times, in place of a we write 1. Next x is equal to negative 5 plus minus square root of, this 5 squared is 25 minus 4 times 1 times 16, 64, divided by this 2 times 1, 2. Next x is equal to negative 5 plus minus square root of, this 25 minus 64 is negative 39, divided by 2. X is equal to negative 5 plus minus, this square root of negative 39 can be written as square root of 39 times negative 1, divided by 2. Next x is equal to negative 5 plus minus, this square root of 39 times negative 1 can be written as square root of 39 times square root of negative 1, divided by 2. Next x is equal to negative 5 plus minus square root of 39, this square root of negative 1, square root of negative 1 is equal to I. So we replace this square root of negative 1 with I, divided by 2. So from here we get two values of x. x2 is equal to negative 5 plus root 39i divided by 2, and x3 is equal to negative 5 minus root 39i divided by 2. And first we found the first value of x. First value of x is 3. First value of x is 3. So we have three solutions of this equation.